Welcome to Real Estate Investors Wealth Academy TV, sponsored by REI Wealth Academy.
Hi, my name is John. I'm with REIWealthAcademy.com. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the number one thing to get started in real estate. Now, there's a number of places that people like to start, but one place that REI Wealth Academy really hones in on, where we really try to start, is to answer one simple question, and that's why. So, in order to start that, sometimes you have to ask some other questions. What? How? When? I know these seem a little bit simplistic in some way, but you have to define what it is you want. Maybe you can remember back to a day in high school or something, you wanted to go out for a play, you wanted to play a sport, whatever it was, there had to be a definite what. Hey, I want to go be on the sports team, I want to go try out for this. But, okay, how? Well, that kind of depended on the things you needed. Maybe you needed cleats, maybe you needed to get a script to play in the part. Whatever that was, you always had a how to get there, and a when, well, that was dictated obviously by other people. You had a tryout date at a certain point in time, or you had to schedule it. And you had steps on how to go through that process and when it had to be done by. But the ultimate goal was to do a certain thing, to be in a play, to be on a sports team, whatever that was. The interesting thing, though, is you may not have actually answered the question of why. You may not have been able to articulate it. But in reality, the thing that sustains us is that ability to articulate the why, to be in touch with that reason. So one of the things that we do in REI Wealth Academy is to write it down. We specifically put it down in order that we can put it up in front of us, because research has continued to come out and show that the more that you can put a reason for doing something, the more likely it is you're going to achieve the result. The more likely it is going to be able to sustain your energy levels, your courage, all those types of things of a worthwhile goal that you have, and the reason why you're accomplishing that goal is a huge portion of you being able to do anything. So personally, my big why is being able to do stuff like this. That's the reason why I have this crazy stuff behind me. Had my daughter's second birthday party recently. I don't want money to ever be a decision of how much we can love on her, how much we can invite friends, have people over to breathe into her life, and for her to bless other people's lives. And that's something that brings a ton of joy to me and my wife. And that would be one big reason why I'm doing real estate investing, why I'm being a student with REI Wealth Academy and getting out there and trying to take action on the things that need to get done, because I have definite goals with a definite why behind those goals. That's what I encourage you to do. Go ahead and go to REIWealthAcademy.com. We have proven guides to getting started in real estate as a blog. Go ahead and click on the free guide that we also have there if you would like. But keep checking in back here. Subscribe on Facebook, go to Twitter, anywhere that you can find us on social media as well. Be sure to follow us there. We'll be coming out with tips and tricks, things every week, strategies, guides, those types of things to try to help you get started. And as always, if you want to get more information, we love pouring into people's lives to be able to do that and figure out how we can get you from where you are right now to where it is you want to be, and helping you being able to define that. So with that, this is John signing off for REI Wealth Academy. We hope to see you on the Facebook page, on social media, and hopefully with our group as well. Take care. Bye.
Decide today you don't want to take a back seat. Finally break your financial life cycle. Learn more now at www.reiwealthacademy.com.